Hello, Lazada sellers. I know how it feels when you try to search your own product, but you are never ever on the first page. So how can people buy from you if you are never on the first page anyway? So the answer is to do Lazada ads. So sponsored search ads, right, actually are called Lazada sponsored discovery. Okay, so it's when people type a certain keyword that belongs to your product, then your product will be on the top, okay, on the first page. So how exactly to do it, I'm going to show you. So this video is about two parts. The first one is about what are the advantages and what exactly is sponsored discovery, and the second part will be how to do it. Okay, come, let's go to the video. Before I start, let me introduce myself. I'm Kong, a Lazada certified trainer and also a seller in Lazada since 2015. So I've been coaching a lot of my students to grow their sales in Lazada. So if you want more help on this, click the link below. Come, let's go on the sponsored discovery. Lazada leverages on the algorithm to match the promoted products and the customers' search. Okay, so based on their behavior in Lazada, and this is to ensure that they will click and convert to your products and you will get the sales. So sponsored discovery is a solution to promote your SKUs in Lazada search page or when customers are browsing for something. Okay, so what are the benefits of sponsored discovery? Sponsored discovery, number one, you only pay for the results. You will definitely get some results, okay? Because based on what you set in the system, Lazada will show the product to the customer, and when customer buy, you will get the sales. Number two, it is the whole platform wide visibility and extra traffic, okay, to be shown to Lazada's customers. Number three, they have an integrated campaign delivery. Okay, this will deliver the best results on the different placements on Lazada. Okay, and number four, it has a very high audience targeting. They can help you target via certain search keywords and certain features that will get you to capture your audience. And number five is a smart campaign management, where based on the automated products and keyword selections, they will optimize your products based on customer search. And number six, all data is transparent. Whatever that is clicked or whatever is sold, you can see it in a detailed report in your Lazada seller center, and you only be charged by pay per click model when customer click on that particular item. Okay, how do we run Lazada ads? Come, let me show you. First, we go to Marketing Center and then we press on Sponsored Solutions. You will come to this page. Okay, so we are doing keyword search ads here. So we're doing sponsored discovery. Means people search, let's say they search coffee or they search woman's t-shirt, it will come to your product, which will be on the first page. Normally on Lazada, it will be on the fourth placing or third placing. Okay, so now you're going to press a new campaign. Okay, and you can name your campaign names, and then you can choose traffic or sales. Normally I would choose sales objective, and placements, and then campaign type, automated or standard. So let's say that you do not have any idea, or you want Lazada to help you manage your budget, then or you choose automated. So normally automated will give you the best deal, like you will always be on top. Whereas if you have a low budget or you want to control budget, you choose standard. Okay, so this one you can choose, like you can pay daily budget. Let's say you want 20 ringgit or 10 ringgit. At least it says minimum starts at 4. And then you can choose your dates and you press next. Then you go and select your product that you want to promote for today. So let's say I want to select this, and I will go press confirm. Okay, then you will press next. Okay, so this is the objectives part. Okay, then we will press next. So you see here, then at the end, let's just check everything is okay and we press submit. Okay, let's say that you want to choose your own keywords. Then this part, you will press standard. Okay, then when you want to make your own budget on your keywords, you have to do it again. You set your maximum per day, and then You choose your product again. Okay, you can see here automated or standard. Automated means that Lazada will choose for you all the keywords and the budget. Okay, if you want standard, you can choose your own keywords. Okay, and then on how much you want to bid. Okay, so let's say that I want to choose automated because I just want I don't know what to choose. Okay, or maybe I want to be on top always, then I will just choose automated and next, and I will submit. So that's how exactly your product will be on top of the listings when somebody search for that particular item. So you will get more sales and more traffic for your product. So I hope this video has helped you in your journey to sell more in Lazada. So if you like more videos on making money online, help me by liking this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. And you can click the link below if you need to contact me. I'm on Instagram and Facebook also as Kongpreneur. So have a nice day, everyone. Bye bye.